A comprehensive guide to restoring your vision. Welcome to a comprehensive approach to vision restoration that's begin with relaxation. I'm Sviatoslav, here to guide you through understanding the sensitivity of our eyes, the development of eye muscle spasms, and effective relaxation method for improved vision. Renew your vision, a holistic approach to vision restoration, and we take the first most crucial step toward clearer sight. Top 5 relaxation techniques for enhanced vision will be in the end of the video. Revitalize your vision beyond exercises. Contrary to the belief that exercises alone can restore vision, without eye relaxation it's very low chances of recovering eye muscles from spasms. A comprehensive approach, starting with relaxation and combining with light stretching of eye muscle is a key. Let's explore the significance of relaxation and secrets to clearer vision. How eye muscle spasms develop. The sensitivity of our eyes and my top 5 methods to relax both your eyes and her whole body. Why relaxation matters? Eye issues often caused from overexertion and spasms and of eye muscles due to excessive screen time, reading without rest, etc. Achieving relaxation is the first step to normalizing eye function and clearing your vision. However, learning to relax isn't always straightforward, as various obstacles can impede this process. The root cause of eye muscle spasms, long periods spent staring at the screens without breaks, can tire and strain your eyes and lead to the eye muscle spasms, affecting your ability of the eyes to focus at distant objects. Eye focus get locked at the distance you use to look at the phone or a laptop. Stress from life's conflicts or worries about future's uncertainties can also tense up the eye muscles in your eyes and face, as our eyes are incredibly sensitive to any form of nervous tension. It can cause eye twitching also. Understanding our eye sensitivity. Our eyes are densely packed with sensitive receptors, far more than our skin, making them highly responsive to external pressures and temperatures. This sensitivity means that our eyes can quickly become strained from constant stress and tension. Discover the path to clearer vision with the Eyesight Academy course. Are you tired of squinting at screens, dealing with the headaches and relying on glasses or contacts every day? It's time to embark on a transformative journey towards a better vision naturally. Introducing the Eyesight Academy course dedicated to unlocking the full potential of your eye health without the need for surgery or expensive treatments. A link in the description. Top 5 relaxation techniques for enhanced vision. The 10 seconds relaxation for eyes. Simply closing your eyes for 10 seconds can provide them with much needed rest. Gradually, you will learn to achieve deeper relaxation in shorter periods, helping your eyes to recover from daily stresses. Second, the healing blinking. Soft, relaxing blinks help to keep your eyes moist and relaxed. Practice blinking gently without engaging other facial muscles. A technique that can naturally become a relaxing habit and a game changer in eye health restoration. Third, palming. Covering your closed eyes with your palms has a soothing effect on the nervous system and the eyes. This darkness and warmth allows your eyes to rest fully from the demand to focus and interpret visual information. Fourth, gentle wiggles. Inspired by Dr. Bates' method from the early 20th century, lightly swaying side to side can help release bodily tension. This movement, akin to bear wiggles, encourages the body to relax naturally without forced effort. Fifth, Pre-sleep relaxation. Fully relaxing your facial muscles, shoulders, and body muscles before sleep is crucial. Falling asleep in a state of relaxation not only improves sleep quality, but also helps in recognizing and releasing tension throughout the body. It is the most important natural recovery tip you can get. Wrapping up, today we uncovered the importance of relaxation in the journey to better vision, from understanding the impact of eye muscle spasm to exploring effective relaxation techniques. Remember, restoring vision requires more than just eye exercises. It starts with mastering the art of relaxation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with my latest video. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.